Hello friends, this is Paul and you are watching Digital Assam. So friends, this video is for the trainee of NIOS D.El.Ed. Today we are going to discuss the complete solution of substitute class course 511 2.4. I have prepared complete solution according to the format of NIOS given. In point number 1, you have to write the name of the trainee, that means your name. Point number 2, enrollment number. Point number 3, name and address of school. Point number 4, date of substitute teaching. You have to mention the date here. And point number 5, subject taught. I have chosen here language for class 1. You can choose any other subject like mathematics, history, geography. So after that, topic. So you have to specify the topic here. If you choose suppose mathematics, you have to choose here the specific topic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so I have chosen here the English vocabulary. So after that, substitute activities conducted in the class. So you have to mention here the area, specification of the activity. After that, the process and the method of activity conducted in details. You have to write in details here. What process or method you have applied to teach your student in your substitute class. I have written here as a substitute teacher, I taught English vocabulary by using word and picture card. So if you choose here mathematics, so you can write as a substitute teacher, I taught mathematics by using playway method. So like this you can write. So after that, you have to write the preparation for the class, how you prepared for your class. So you have to write in details and step by step about your substitute class. So after that, our last point is outcome of the activity. What is the result of your substitute class? And at last, signature of teacher trainee, signature of mentor, signature of supervisor, and the signature of headmaster with official. So that's all friends. If you want to download the PDF file, you will get the link in the description box. You can download it. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.